Hello, this is Benjamin with DealerSpike. The point of today's video will be to go over the functionality of the left-hand menu that you can see here in your Spark editor. First, we have the search bar. If you're looking for a particular function within this left-hand menu and you're not able to find it, sometimes the search bar can help you find that. Dashboard up top will give you some quick statistics on the traffic going across the site. Performance. Website performance will give you a much more granular view of exactly what is going on your site. Visitor acquisition. Visitor acquisition can tell you exactly where your visitors to your site are coming from, which search engine or which regions of the country. Engagement analytics highlights which inventory items or categories get more or fewer leads or views. Peer benchmarking compares visitors, leads, clicks to call, and other dealers in your industry in your area. Digital marketing will give you a list of all the digital marketing tools that you have and tell you how each one is bringing more customers to your site. Next is leads. Leads Manager is the old system by which you would go in and check the leads coming in from your site, and instead had been replaced with the leads being sent to your domain-based email. Lead Hunter allows you to see the traffic coming across your site and potentially engage with a customer that has been viewing an item or information and see if you can get a lead out of it. Inventory. Inventory Manager is, of course, where you'll add in your new, used, and new non-current units that you have in stock on location that you'd like to feature on the site. Product groups is a way of advertising a specific large inventory item, such as a snowmobile or jet ski or something like that, on the home page of your site near the bottom. It will take the first picture, year, make, model, and price, and list it in the format of a classified ad like you'd see in your local newspaper. Custom manufacturers, types, and styles has to do with entering an inventory unit. If we do not have a specific manufacturer, type, or style, this allows you to enter in those manufacturers, types of styles that we don't have. Once you put in one of these once, it stays in that drop-down list in alphabetical order. So should you have a manufacturer, type, or style that we don't have, but you want to enter in multiple of, they'll be there for your use. Product Manager allows you to go in and set the prices for items that are on your new models page. On your website, it will look something like this. So you can go in and set the prices on these items that you see here. Do not be mistaken, this is not your inventory. These are simply catalog information. Catalogs. This allows you to choose the catalogs that you have on the new models page that we were just looking at. So it allows you to choose the major manufacturers that you see here. Brand Editor allows you to select the different types of equipment that you want to be able to see underneath each one of these manufacturers, as well as if there is a specific model or type of equipment that you think would be more popular, it can allow you to drag and drop and list it as the first type of equipment or model available up here in this position. Custom catalogs. If there is not a particular manufacturer on that new models page, you can use the custom catalog editor to enter in the brand's information. Finally, sales. If you go through and you have set a sale on units that you see on that new models page, such as one of these DS ATVs or Outlanders, let's say that you did that for multiple different areas and multiple different units within each brand or different catalogs. The sales tab will give you a summary of all the different items that you set on sale on that new models page, and you'll be able to correct them all from one page rather than having to go individually. Reputation management. If you are in fact signed up for this tool, it will help you to spot negative reviews online so that you're able to respond to them. If you currently are not signed up for the reputation management service, considering contacting your account manager, implementation specialist, or launch coordinator. Admin. First would be account info. This would be the name of the head individual at your place of business, the address and contact information for your business. Users would be adding in the employees that you want to have access to this editor, and also controlling which items on the left-hand menu you'd like to have them have access to. Locations is your location information, the address of your store. Hours of operation is just the hours that are listed in the lower left-hand corner in the footer section of your website. Lightspeed Evo, if you do have this connected with Lightspeed system or CDK system, then you'll be able to see exactly what is going on with that connection. OEM programs. If you are part of an OEM program, you'll be able to see exactly which OEM programs you're a part of and if there's any particular type of restrictions associated with that program. Now let's jump into content. First, we have pages. If you're looking to make a correction to a written paragraph that is on your site, make sure that you get in there and make that correction. Page assets. Page assets act as a holder for a particular paragraph. Let's say that there is two different paragraphs on on your About Us page, and you want that second paragraph to also be shown on the home page. Well, instead of retyping the entire paragraph, you can simply select the page asset for that second paragraph and tell it to display both on your home page and your About Us page. Navigation. This controls the links that you see at the top of your website. Banners. This advertises major manufacturer promotions such as sales or financing deals. OEM promotions. These are promotions that are going on with the different manufacturers such as Polaris, Toro, and others. And if you do not want to participate in one of those particular promotions, you can uncheck that promotion program that's currently running and it will not be shown anywhere on your site. Services allows you to set up the services that you see on the services page of your website. The logo, the name and details. You can list your staff using the staff page. Galleries, you can post images of your store as well as events that you may, if you're going to be hosting an event at your location or you're going to be joining an event in a location not too far away, you can put all the details that you see there. E-commerce. Underneath core e-commerce is all of the current e-commerce functions such as setting up shipping, the products and pricing that you want to have up on the site, as well as taxes and inventory levels. Most of the other menu options that you see here, if you are a new dealer with us and not a legacy dealer, will not be viewable. The only one that you'll see is your core e-commerce. That is my explanation of the menu of the Spark editor. Until I see all of you again, thank you very much for your valuable time. Bye-bye.